Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Protect your skin and put on gloves so color stays on hair, not hands. Mix dye and developer exactly to the labeled ratio. Consistency matters for predictable lift and tone. Once mixed, work on dry, unwashed hair or per product instructions and section hair into 4-6 parts to control application. Begin at the most visible root area, applying dye with a brush using short, precise strokes so saturation is even. Make sure to clip sections away as you move. Once roots are fully covered, move methodically down each section toward the mid-lengths. You want heavier application at roots and lighter at ends. Use a wide-tooth comb to distribute product evenly and remove excess that causes stripes. Make sure to leave the ends for last because they process faster. Check development every 5-10 minutes, watching color change to the target level. If you need more lift, wait the final recommended minutes. If too intense, prepare to rinse early. When the timer's done, rinse with lukewarm water until the water runs nearly clear to prevent staining and uneven fading. Make sure to use a color-safe conditioner or the provided post-color mask and leave it on for the suggested 3-5 minutes to seal the cuticle. Pat hair gently with a towel and style. If you spot uneven patches or brassiness, apply a targeted toner or purple shampoo following product directions. If severe, consult a professional rather than reapplying box dye.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.